Good day. Today we will be talking about synthetic division. We have here Mrs. Rosabel Santiago to tell us infos about synthetic division. But first, what is a synthetic division?
Synthetic division is a shorthand method of dividing polynomials. For the special case of dividing by a linear factor, whose leading coefficient is 1.
Would you mind telling us the steps on how to solve a synthetic division? What is the first step?
So the first step is you have to write the coefficient of the polynomial you want to divide. Make sure that it is in preceding orders of powers of x and include a, 0 of placeholder of any missing term.
What is the step 2?
Determine the divisor and identify the value of a from the linear factor of x minus a.
And then,
Set up the division, the horizontal line and the vertical line for space for synthetic division.
oh, it's getting a little complicated. What about the fourth step?
Just bring down the first coefficient of the polynomial below the horizontal line.
And the fifth step?
Multiply the value of a by the numbers brought down, and add the coefficient and the result and then repeat.
Is that all?
No, we still have the sixth and the last step wherein we have to interpret the result. The numbers below the horizontal line are the coefficient of the quotient except for the last number, which is the remainder.
Thank you very much, Miss. So now, you all know how to solve synthetic division. See you on the next episode.